Asuntoskeyhtiöpohjan poika.
This is also very nice today on the 14th of September 2024. Nobody's coming. And here is Töyrykatu 18. No, this is 18.
Yeah, 18.
Yeah, here in Lahti, Finland.
This
is the K, yeah. This was built in late 1999, finished in 2000. Super SB1 and E2772, Otis 2000. The rest is 8% associated grips. The proper Otis 2000 here.
Yeah.
That's the accurate here. There's the Otis logo behind it.
Yeah.
It's very fresh.
Yeah. Inspired by device and maintained by Otis or nowadays gratis.
So yeah, it was finished in 2000.
Yeah.
We installed late 1999, just after the link 18, we showed 19 or 20.
Yeah.
We showed it later.
Yeah.
And I like the sound and smell here.
Same here.
Nice point here.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's